Hello everyone, and welcome back to another one-off, where we take a look at games that I haven't gotten around to, but I still want to try out anyway. For today's video, we're going to be looking at Ratchet Clank, the remake slash reboot slash movie tie-in, whatever you want to call it. This game has been, kind of like in my backlog for quite a number of,
Open up on
like,
7.
quite a while. So I figured it'd be appropriate we make a video about it, and, yeah. I never saw the movie.
You think you can break me,
Bought the game like
I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that
it was like what, $20 at a
pits of sword doom. The iron holds in no balance.
at like a some sort of drugstore where they sell video games. But
Greetings, new fish. I'm Captain Quark. I don't
yeah,
believe it.
my
I used to
I mean, I
dream
do
of
own a
being
few
arrested by
Ratchet
you.
and Clank
I'll get
games.
out
Like
of
I
here.
bought the first
I was talking
one
to
for the
you,
PlayStation 2 at a garage sale, and
So,
a
new
friend
fish, I take
gave
you
me,
followed
I
by
believe
many,
it
many
was
adventures? Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the
Deadlocked,
galaxy.
Dreadlocked, whatever you call it. But
Words
yeah.
hurt, solitary Bill. I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank Holo game. The what? You know, the game based on that incident with you and that Lombax. Oh, you must mean the Holo film. Yeah, it's pretty good, if you like all CG. No, I mean the game. It's based on the Holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison. They're making a game based on a Holo film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will ever hear my side. I'd like to hear your side, Captain. You would? Well, then sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Ratchet and Clank.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank. Does that ship look mag-lifted to you? Get on that bolt crank. Come on, give it a spin. Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
Yep, left side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights.
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all. One more.
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show 'em what you got, kid.
And so Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to become a Galactic Ranger.
Rise and shine, Kizel Plateau. It's 8 a.m. and it's going to be a hot one today. Our first story is a sad one, folks.
Okay, let's go.
Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench. In order to best his foes, Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition of jumping.
So yeah, so far, like,
Ratchet
the
knew
game's
he faced
controlling,
mortal peril.
really
Should he find
well.
himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
So you attack, double jump. We haven't gotten to it yet, but there's like an assortment of weapons you can use. Sure, there's bolts and stuff over
Displayed
here.
a flagrant disregard for public property. Look at him snatching crates. The hubris.
Maybe he was just saving up bolts so he could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here? Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Galactic Ranger recruitment event. Step into the training course and let's test your mettle. Are you ready to be a Galactic Ranger? What about you, Andre? Ready to dispense up? I spy another contestant. Good luck, future Ranger.
Hello, recruit. Cora Veralux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles. Good work. Now keep moving to the next part of the course.
Did you see me at the...
Good job. You could be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
Hey there, recruits. I'm Brax Lectress and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates.
Done. Or
Hey, that was pretty good. Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor. You got a deal. Awesome. Next step, blow stuff up.
okay.
Enemy down.
All right.
In order to spice things up, we've armed these dummies with Gadgetron flamethrowers. Our lawyers are totally cool.
Good job, recruits. You may just be the next Galactic Ranger. Head to the final challenge.
Come on, Ratchet. You can do this.
It's time for the final challenge.
All right.
Survive a brutal onslaught of enemies, and you just might be our next Galactic Ranger. Or maybe... One down.
Whoa. Looks like some angry toads.
Oh shit, level up.
Impressive. Could we be looking at Solana's next Galactic Ranger? Another one down. Excellent job, cadet. Come see me after the show.
Huh. That wasn't so bad.
All right, so I just had to skip past
Alpha's
the
defect knew that
cutscene.
his best chance for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vent, he might just make it out of there alive.
I know you will find the defect. You never disappoint.
Yeah, the cutscene was blocked. I'm assuming because it was a scene from the movie, so
That if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path. The young defect spotted a spring bot ahead of him and knew that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces, gravity. The hopeless defect had to throw a spring bot, but where and how?
Nope, that's not working. Just gonna break some more crates and stuff. There we go.
There you are.
Oh my.
Oh, jeez.
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap.
Come on, Ratchet, you can do it.
Get back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot. No, water.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power bot. This device could power up a variety of machines, but where should he throw it?
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself on my penchant for storytelling.
What seems to be the problem, Victor?
You won't get away from me, Chairman. I've got it right where I want it.
Nope, that didn't work. There we go. So I'm gonna try and finish up this section with Clank, and then probably call it a day. This is actually pretty fun so far. Oh yeah, right, the bombs. Hey, there's a gold bolt over there.
Not so hard.
You think you can run from me?
Not that route again.
Get back here, you miserable defect! Try outrunning this! I'm gonna rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket!
Oh jeez.
Water! Ah!
Alright. Had to.
A million thoughts raced through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbot? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved? Did he leave the proto-engine on in the garage? The answer to all these questions was yes.
All right, hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Or we're just gonna call it a part, or call it a video here. I actually think this is really fun. I like the humor. The gameplay's fun. The game actually looks really good. The graphics are really appealing. Like, yeah, so I'd consider checking this out. I'm sure you can find it for dirt cheap now, so if you got 20 bucks on you, yeah, that's pretty much worth the price, I would say. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Be sure to follow me on all my social media, which you can find in my channel description. So Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, Twitch, all of that is there. Plus check out my other channels, and that would mean a lot to me too. But until then, I will see you all next time. Thank you all so much for watching, and of course, don't forget to take care of yourselves. See ya.